Now I will ask some questions to you. You have to answer. Okay. What are the 12 months in a year, Siri? What are the 12 months in a year?
January, February, March, June. May, June, July,
April.
March after? April.
May, June, July, August, September, October,
Super.
Jaya.
Okay. Which month comes before March? Before March. Which month comes before March?
February,
Super. Which month comes after March?
June,
After March. March after?
June.
No. March after? March after? March after?
June, April.
April. That's fine. Okay. So, Yagneshwar, which month comes before December?
December,
Hmm.
November,
Super. Which month comes after December?
December,
After December.
December,
After. Hmm. January. That's right. Now, Sandeep, what are the 12 months in a year? Say loudly, గట్టిగా. సూపర్. Super. Okay. Which month comes before May? No. April. Which month comes after May?
చూస్తానా విక్కీ
Super. And then, what are the days in a week? Gangava? What are the days? What are the 7 days in a week? 7 days.
Tuesday.
Wednesday. Then Thursday. Friday. Saturday. బాగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. Then Samyukta. So what are 7 days in a week? 7 days. Saturday. Okay. Which day comes before Saturday? Before Saturday. No, days.
7
Which day comes before Saturday? Saturday mundu. Super. Which day comes after Saturday? Saturday tarvata. After Saturday. Days. Saturday tarvata em vastadi? Sunday. Okay. So what are the days? What are the 7 days in a week? Which day comes before Wednesday? Tuesday. So which day comes after Wednesday? After.
Thursday.
Super. After Thursday?
Friday.
After Friday?
Saturday.
Before Saturday? బిఫోర్ సాటర్డే. బిఫోర్ సాటర్డే. సాటర్డేకి ముందు.
సండే
సాటర్డేకి ముందు
ఫ్రైడే
ఫ్రైడే. రైట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.